Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Soft Parisian light filters through tall windows as the city slowly awakens, and from this elevated vantage point, the Eiffel Tower rises into view like a living sculpture, constantly changing with the hours of the day. This apartment is not simply positioned in Paris. It feels woven into the soul of the city itself. Designed by celebrated British interior designer Mark Howorth, the home is a refined dialogue between classic Parisian architecture and contemporary cosmopolitan living, where heritage is honored but never allowed to feel static. From the very first step inside, there's a quiet confidence in the design, a sense that every element has been carefully chosen to enhance both the view and the experience of daily life. The entrance sets the tone immediately. A restrained palette of warm whites, soft stone, and subtle gray hues creates a calm transition from the bustling streets below into a more private, introspective world. Original architectural details have been lovingly preserved, including decorative moldings and high ceilings that give the apartment its unmistakable Haussmann character. Yet they are balanced with modern finishes that keep the space feeling current. Underfoot, wide, plank oak floors run seamlessly from room to room, lending a sense of continuity and understated luxury. As you move further inside, the apartment opens up to a breathtaking central living space, and it's here that the design truly reveals its brilliance. The layout has been carefully considered to frame the Eiffel Tower as a focal point, almost like a piece of art that changes with the light. During the day, the tower stands crisp and architectural against the sky, while in the evening it becomes warm, luminous, and romantic, sparkling gently as the city transitions into night. Mark Howorth has designed the room to respect this view, using low-profile furniture and a neutral color palette that allows the exterior to take center stage. The main living area feels elegant but not formal, luxurious but deeply comfortable. A generous sofa, upholstered in soft linen, invites long conversations and quiet afternoons, while bespoke accent chairs add structure and sophistication without overwhelming the space. Textures are layered thoughtfully, from woven fabrics and brushed metals to natural stone and aged wood, creating depth without visual noise. Every piece seems to belong, contributing to an atmosphere that feels curated yet effortless. Lighting plays a crucial role throughout the apartment, and nowhere is that more evident than in the living room. Discreet recessed lighting provides a gentle ambient glow, while sculptural floor lamps and table lamps add warmth and character after sunset. The lighting design enhances architectural features while also allowing the mood to shift easily from day to night, making the space equally suited to entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening alone. Adjacent to the living area is the dining space, positioned perfectly to take advantage of the views without feeling exposed. A custom dining table, crafted from richly grained wood, anchors the room and is surrounded by elegant, comfortable chairs designed for long dinners that stretch late into the evening. Above the table, a statement light fixture hangs like a modern chandelier, its form simple yet sculptural, complementing rather than competing with the iconic view beyond the windows. The kitchen, designed as both a functional workspace and an extension of the living area, embodies Mark Howorth's talent for blending practicality with aesthetic restraint. Custom cabinetry in soft neutral tones is paired with stone countertops that add a subtle sense of luxury. Integrated appliances keep visual clutter to a minimum, allowing the clean lines of the design to shine. This is a kitchen made for real living, whether preparing a quiet breakfast or hosting an intimate dinner party with friends. From the main living spaces, a discreet hallway leads to the more private areas of the apartment. The transition feels deliberate and calming, with softer lighting and more intimate proportions. Artwork along the walls adds personality and cultural depth, reflecting a global sensibility that feels perfectly at home in Paris. The primary bedroom is a sanctuary in every sense of the word. Positioned to offer yet another perspective of the Eiffel Tower, the room feels serene and deeply restful. A plush, upholstered bed sits at the center, flanked by elegant bedside tables and softly glowing lamps. The color palette here is even more subdued, with layered neutrals and gentle textures creating an atmosphere that encourages rest and reflection. Heavy curtains and sheer drapes allow for complete control over light and privacy, transforming the room effortlessly from bright morning retreat to cocooned nighttime haven. Attention to detail is evident in every element of the bedroom design. From the stitching on the headboard to the subtle sheen of the fabrics, nothing feels accidental. Storage has been seamlessly integrated into custom wardrobes, ensuring the room remains uncluttered and visually calm. It's a space that feels deeply personal, yet universally appealing, a balance that speaks to Howorth's mastery as a designer. The ensuite bathroom continues the narrative of quiet luxury. Natural stone surfaces, soft lighting, and clean-lined fixtures combine to create a spa-like environment within the heart of the city. A freestanding bathtub invites long, unhurried moments of relaxation, while the walk-in shower is both practical and indulgent. The design avoids excess ornamentation, relying instead on proportion, materials, and light to create a sense of understated opulence. Additional bedrooms within the apartment have been designed with equal care, each offering its own distinct character while maintaining the overall cohesion of the home. These rooms are versatile and thoughtfully planned, suitable for guests, family members, or even a home office. Throughout, the design language remains consistent, blending timeless Parisian elegance with contemporary comfort. One of the most impressive aspects of the apartment is how seamlessly it adapts to modern living without sacrificing its historical identity. Technology is subtly integrated throughout the space, from climate control and lighting systems to discrete audiovisual solutions. Everything is designed to enhance daily life without drawing attention to itself, ensuring that the focus remains on the architecture, the design, and the extraordinary views. What truly sets this apartment apart is its emotional resonance. It's not just a beautifully designed space, but a home that feels alive, changing with the seasons, the light, and the rhythm of Paris itself. Morning coffee feels more meaningful when taken with the Eiffel Tower rising quietly in the distance, and evenings carry an undeniable magic as the city lights begin to sparkle. Mark Howorth's design philosophy is evident in every corner of the apartment. There is a respect for history, a commitment to craftsmanship, and a clear understanding that luxury is not about excess, but about quality, comfort, and authenticity. The apartment feels carefully considered yet never rigid, elegant yet inviting, refined yet deeply livable. This Paris apartment is more than a place to live. It's a front row seat to one of the world's most beautiful cities. It captures the romance, sophistication, and cultural richness of Paris while offering a calm, luxurious retreat above the streets below. From its thoughtfully layered interiors to its unforgettable Eiffel Tower views, it stands as a testament to what is possible when exceptional design meets an extraordinary location. In every detail, from the preserved architectural elements to the modern interventions, the apartment reflects a harmonious balance between old and new. It is a space that honors the past while embracing the present, offering its residents not just a home, but a deeply immersive Parisian experience. This is Parisian living at its most refined, a timeless interior designed for contemporary life, elevated by one of the most iconic views in the world.